children. Welcome to St. Thomas School, Mavua, Standard 3rd, subject Moral Science. Last class we studied who was Moses, what did God give to Moses, how many commandments did God give to Moses, what is the fourth commandment, how do our parents help us. This I think all of you studied well, and now let us study another paragraph. Next page, page number 6. Okay, all of you maybe did not get a moral science book, then you listen to me, and with this video you can learn. They work hard and help us to grow, and we grow in age and body. We learn to do things on our own and become self-sufficient. Self-sufficient means what we can do. We are grown-up children, then we can do our own way, our own things, and what all things we want to do, we can do everything. That way we become self-sufficient. We can stand our own legs. That is the one word meaning for self-sufficient. Our parents are work hard and they help us to we become grow and to age and body, our mind and physical and everything we want to grow. For that they are day and night, they are work hard. Then another sentence, we earn money and live our lives. But many children do not help their parents when they become old and sick. Some children are not helping their parents. They are become old and sick. That time some children are not looking their parents. Then since they work very hard, they become weak and sick in their old age time. They are weak and sick people. When it is our duty, and then it is the duty of their children to look after them. But some children do not take care of them. We do not take their parents to the hospital when they are sick. Some children are not looking after their parents. When they are self-sufficient, they become very selfish people. They are not looking after their parents. Oh, dear children, we have to think when we are we were small, that time our parents help and to we want become grow and we want become self-sufficient. That way they given us what all things how our parents help us. We studied already, Then that we have to remember. They gave us good education, and what all things we need, they fulfilled all the needs of when we were children. That time they fulfilled all our needs. Then when they are in sick and old age time, we have to look after them. That we do not forget. They do not take their parents to the hospital when they are sick. Old people cannot eat everything. So we have to give them what they like. What they want to eat, we have to give them for eat what they like. So we have to give them what they like. Some people do not like their parents because they were poor and uneducated. Some children, they don't like their parents because they are poor and uneducated. They forgot that it is because of their poor parents they are educated and rich. This time they are how we become rich and educated, how because of our parents. The father of our nation, Gandhiji, loved his parents very much. Who is our father of our nation? Okay, very good. Gandhiji is the father of our nation. He loved his parents very much. He was proud of his parents. When his father was sick, Gandhiji spent a lot of time with them. He gave him food and medicine. Whatever things his father needed, he provided food and medicine. Gandhiji used to read the story of Sravana many times. Everybody familiar to Sravana story, no? Sravana Sravana once carried his blind parents with on his shoulder. He, by means of a sling, and took them to visit holy places. He take them to visit holy places. Gandhiji wanted to follow the example of Sravana. Gandhiji also followed the Sravana's example. What all good things we are seeing, we have to follow it. All the good things we can follow. This is for moral values, means this what all good things we can see and what all we are getting, we have to follow it. It is our duty to take care of our parents and grandparents. God wants us to do that. Perhaps our parents may not need our help now, but when they become old, we should help them. We should also love and respect our grandparents. As our parents have to work, they may not be able to help their parents always. They cannot spend much time with them, but we should spend time with our parents, talk to them and help them. Only if we help and love our parents and grandparents, God will help and bless us. How God help us? When we are looking after our parents, we love and spend with them, talk with them and help with them and love them. That time God will help and bless us. Let us remember, we must always love, obey and honor our father and mother. This we have to remember and follow this whenever we become grown up children. When we are self-sufficient, that time we have to remember and don't forget to love and honor our parents. Okay, only this chapter, I think all of you understood. Only this much we have to remember. We must always love, obey and honor our father and mother. Then this chapter over. Once again we will revise it, what things we studied now. This time we studied why do some people don't like their parents? Why? Anybody, can you understood? Because of their parents poor and uneducated. That is why they don't like their parents. Then another, what is it? Why did Sravana do for his parents? What did Sravana do for his parents? Sravana once carried his blind parents on his shoulders by means of a sling and took them to visit holy places. Then, what did Gandhiji do when father was sick? Anybody remember what Gandhiji did? When his father was sick, Gandhiji spent a lot of time with him and gave him food and medicine. Gandhiji spent with his father and gave him food and medicine. When will God help and bless us? God, when will help, bless and help us? We should spend time with our grandparents, talk to them and help them. Only if we help and love our parents and grandparents, God help and bless us. Only this much we have to revise it, remember all these points. Once again, all of you go through, after I will give you question answers, then you have to study these points. Only 4 points we have to remember today's class. Why do some people don't like their parents? Because they are poor and uneducated. What did Ravana do for his parents? Ravana, what did anybody remember what Ravana did for his parents? He taken parents to holy. Ravana once carried his blind parents on his shoulders by means a sling and took them to visit the holy places. Okay, took them holy places. Okay then. What did Gandhiji do when his father was sick? What did Gandhiji did? When his father was sick, Gandhiji spent a lot of time with him and gave him food and medicine. When will God help us? When will God help us? We should spend time with our parents, talk to them and help them. Only if we help and love our parents and grandparents, God will help and bless us. Okay, this much you have to study, and this lesson over. Next time we will meet you again next Monday. Thank you, children.